Right, here's the next video. I did this video, I filmed this maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and when I was recording it, I pressed record, or thought I pressed record, and didn't actually record me skimming, so I wasn't going to use it. But because I've not posted anything on for a couple of weeks, because it's been Christmas, I've been looking at it and I thought, you know what, it's not a bad video, but there's just no skimming. There's no actual me putting any plaster on, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm just sat here recovering from my hernia operation. I'm due back in work this week, which is January the 8th. I'm back in work. I can drive at least. Liam's gonna have to appoint skin face, a big early start to the year for skin face. He's gonna have to pull his finger out and mature as a plasterer, if that makes sense. So I'll put it together anyway. It's only 10 minutes long. I hope you enjoy it. It's me and Skinface doing our usual jibber jabber, and but there's just no skimming, as I've said. But it's not a bad video. Oh, merch! Look at the merch, man. Ooh, I got some new merch. You want get into the merch store? There's a bit of DamsTV, and then the wife wanted to join in the action, so she got a nice hoodie with just plain DamsTV wrote on it. I've actually sold 2 t-shirts. So don't forget to like and subscribe, get some merch, and don't be left out. Don't be left out of the everyone wearing DamsTV and you're not. Hello, welcome to another DamsTV, and we've come to another Guardian warm roof. I am the Guardian warm roof expert, I think. Let me flip you around now, I'll show you what we've got to do. So pretty bog standard really. Apart from these are a bit different, these angles here. That's a straightforward run-of-the-mill angle. That's straightforward box gutter. We've got a bit of making up to do under here. Obviously just board under here, board up there. And then these corners are different, but when you cut that one, when I've cut that one, the offcut will fit there. Or should be able to be recut to fit there. Or maybe, well, that offcut is because the triangle will be the same, will go there, and that'll go there, and the same for them, that one will go there. You know, the offcut. What I'm trying to say is if you cut a board square and made 2 triangles, you get 2 triangles the same. So dead straightforward. Cut this middle section, square that off down there. Same at this side, square that off, and start boarding so it's square from there like that, bum, bum, bum. Cut, job done. Then lash it on, and then home time. Let's see how we go on anyway. Right, we're finally ready. We've got all the drop sheet on, all the way around. We've had our brew, we've sussed out what we're going to do with that, but I'll show you in a minute. I've had a quick weigh up how I'm going to cut the roof, and I've started with my first 2 cuts. So let's see what time it is. 25 past 9. Let's see how long it takes me to board. There's 8 boards. Let's see how long it takes. Let's go. Are we ready? We're making good time. It's not even on you. Oh. Still not on. Right, I thought I'd show you how I've cut this trapezium with a saw. So I've obviously got my length, and then I've cut my length off my board. That's that bit done.
Do you have to do the whistle?
Yeah.
Right.
The bottom is 75.5, and the top was 7 centimetres. So I'm right in the middle of the board, which was 600. You had to come around the other side, surely. Don't call me Shirley. And then I halved 75.5, which was 38 3/4, was it? 37 3/4.
Close enough, isn't it?
Yeah. 37 3/4. See, I made a few mistakes.
So why did you half that though?
Why did I half it?
Yeah, you've half the board, you've marked the middle.
I've marked the middle.
Half either side.
Half it, so I've gone there and halfy. So I know that from the middle, rather than just going from there, you know what I mean? I just still have to strike a line. So what I'm trying to achieve is these other 2 offcuts will do the other trapezium in 2 halves. I might have to cut them down a bit, but that's.
Did you explain that you'd done half of that bottom measurement either side of that? Yeah.
Did you say that's what it actually was? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I probably weren't listening.
That from there to there, well,
I probably drifted off.
Probably makes a change.
Yeah. Well, you can't blame me.
75.5. So half of it is there, half of it is there. So that gives you it in the right position. Same at that end. Show me your end. So that's half. That's the 600. And then that half of 7, 3.5. And then I've cut them. I'm going to cut them and try it. Right, so that's my trapezium cut. I've chamfered the bottom. Will it fit?
Oh, I don't know. Will it fit?
Oh, it's like a fucking glove.
Oh my god! It's like you've tried it already and adjusted it once.
You're a fucking wanker.
Add it up. It won't fit. Trimmed a bit off. Back up. Trimmed a little bit more.
Miss now.
And now you're pretending it's bang on. It's alright, we'll cover them all and then you can put it in so it looks like you're getting the one first time.
Miles away.
Yeah, but if you kept going eventually you'd have hit the one above it.
Take 2. How mad did I miss? Cut.
So there you go. From empty space to full board. Woo, woo, woo.
Now listen. If you half that again, whatever the top of that is. See this here?
Take your mask, go on,
What I'm
explain.
going to do is measure that, which I think it's 7.
Probably should be.
It should be. But you see, this is a bit fucked, this corner.
Must have been dropped.
Yeah. I wonder who dropped it. It's 7. So half of 7 is obviously 6.5 in it. So if you mark 6.5 back from your original line, 3.5 back. Why don't I know it's 6.5?
You got half.
3.5 back.
3.25.
7.
Oh, is it 7?
7.
Oh, sorry, I'm getting. I think it's 6.5.
Rip that down. I'll rip that down and cut it, and it'll fit, and then they both fit, and they'll be perfect like that one, but be a line there. Right? When you're doing these roofs, it's all about trying to save the boards, you know what I mean? You can't see all them. If I'd have gone ahead and cut all these like I've cut them ones out of Fulham's, we'd have ended up with loads of boards. Enough boards to do it, but loads of patch-up jobs. And you're better cutting your triangles and your trapeziums and like that out of full boards. So just get your length and then you're right then, aren't you?
There you go. You don't want a patchwork quilt.
You don't want to patch with quilt with a triangle, it's harder to cut. And longer.
It's also actually the bigger thing is about where the battens are.
Yeah, and it's far better to do it with a triangle out of a full board, because then you'll get a triangle that you can probably use somewhere else, rather than a load of bits that take you twice as long. So you've always got to get that central line, take your 10 mil off either side, get your central line in, measure off your frame so you're perfectly straight in line. That's the most important bit, that sort of ridge bit, the ridge bit of the ceiling. Then you can throw a few Fulhams up like I did, and then start cutting the triangles. Because you look at them over there, I've not cut them, they're the offcuts of these others, aren't they? Them two there that were cut needed, that's a full board, so it needed a little triangle in here. But you'd never screw a little triangle in there because of that half wall. It's just little tips like that. You can't just, right, start boarding, crash bang wall up. You've got to have a think and a way up. You like snooker, you've got to be about 3 or 4 moves in front.
So if you do a connie, not all boards, no offcuts, it's all fits perfect. Is that a 147?
Cut. Right, the time. It's 10 to 1. We're all ready though, everything is ready. We're ready to literally mix up. But we're just going to have something to eat. I'm getting the stilts on so I can rackle this ceiling on nice and quick. It's a lot quicker if you have your stilts on. belting. Right, bit of dinner and then we're going to get it cracked on. We're going to get it lashed on. Right, that's the roof finished off. We managed to do all the patching. Like we said, bit of patching there, bit of patching there. All nice and bonny. All tidied up, everything done. And the time, it's 4:30. Bit of a late one for me, that. What is going on? Anyway, if you've liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the thumbs up, leave a comment. And we'll see you on the next job.